We're going to look at how we can create shadows on a box instead of our text. And right now I'm just going to delete this up here because it looks really stupid. But I'm going to navigate in my CSS to where we have our boxes here. So either I could do it on just one to show you, or I could do it on all. I'll start with doing it on all so we can see everyone. So instead of writing text shadow, you just write box shadow, and it's the same principle as one. Let's go 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 3 pixels, and a color. Let's go with the red one here again. And this is all we need to create a shadow for those. So all 4 boxes will now receive a shadow here. I'm quickly going to move this so you can actually see that it also works together with transition. And on this box 1, I'm going to add this, just put it down here. And again, if we hit refresh, it's only on the box 1. But right now, there isn't a transition on this one because we need it only to be on hover. So once we hover over the image, we actually want the shadow to be there. So just like we have with the gradient color up here. So similar way of doing this. So we're going to create a new box1 underscore 1 and hover. And in this we're going to put our box shadow, so only when we hover it do we want to see the shadow. So we're starting with this one. Save, go to your browser, click refresh, now it's gone, now it's there. But it doesn't fit with the fade in of our picture here. So our gradient goes for 0.5 seconds and the shadow is instant. So we need to add a transition to this. So in our box 1, because that's the only place we want, we are going to add a transition of 1 second ease, and that's it. Save, hit refresh, and now you can see the shadow fades in with, actually it should be 0.5 because that's what the other transition is, and refresh, and now they fit together. So it fades in and alongside each other, and that's again what we can do. We can keep adding transitions and these things to our elements other than just colors and structure and width and height and so on.